Hello guys, Mari here. Today I'll be comparing some AI models and AI tools to see which is best for SEO content. I'm going to start with ChatGPT, I'm going to Claude Sonnet model as well, and then I'm going to try Journalist AI. I will test to see which one generates the best article, and I will also give you a strategy on how you can create and monetize content today on 2024 for your blog or for your products. Okay, so I just had a Pokeball. I'm pumped. Let's start. Okay, so to start, I searched on how to write an SEO article. Right? Let's pretend that we don't know anything about SEO, and we just want to generate an article about our product and start making money online. Right? So, like a good procrastinator that I am, and very lazy, I will just actually copy everything. Copy the whole page, right? Yes. And I'm going to give a prompt. This is the O1 preview model, and I'm going to say I want to create an article on what is the best bicycle in the market on 2024. I want it to be SEO optimized so I can drive traffic into my blog that talks about bicycle products. Alright, I want you to follow the following tips. To make a good content. And now I will just paste everything that we have. Alright, so I will start by generating on the O1 preview model. So this one will actually take a lot of time thinking. So I'm going to advance to the other models. This one is the O1 mini, and then I'm going to use Claude Sonnet 3.5 as well. Alright, so Claude was pretty fast. ChatGPT O1 mini is also generating, and O1 preview is already generating as well. Now for the AI tool, I chose Journalist AI. I think it's the best tool in the market. So I'm just gonna write what is the best bicycle to buy in 2024, and for the focus keyword I want bicycle. Alright, so I'm not gonna change. You have plenty of options to format and personalize your blog, but because I want to compare raw results, I'm going to actually leave this as default, and I will just generate article. Okay, so it's generating. Now let's see the results of the other models. Right. Okay, so O1 preview, it took 8 seconds to generate the response, and the title is what is the best bicycle in the market in 2024. Discover the top performing bicycles of 2024 and find out which one suits your riding style best. Okay, the subtitle is cool. Now introduction, I don't like that introduction is called introduction title, because I want all titles to be SEO optimized, and introduction doesn't actually rank for anything related to bicycle, right? So I would like to see something different here. Why investing in quality bicycle matters, top bicycles of 2024, Speedster Pro road bike, Trailmaster X mountain bike, Urban Glide commuter bike. Okay, so it provided 4 different options, key features, what is best, and a small description for each product. Now, how to choose the right bicycle for you. Okay, so it also provides a guide on several factors to account when buying a bicycle and when riding a bicycle, and a budget, benefits of owning the best bicycle, frequently asked questions. This is cool because these questions will be asked by users, right? So are expensive bikes worth the investment? This is something that a user will actually search on Google. So I like that it has frequently asked questions. and then it has a small conclusion. Again, the conclusion shouldn't be titled conclusion, should be titled something else in order for the article to rank higher. Ready to choose. Okay, so it has a CTA, it's already top models, and it provides links for the actual resources. Okay, so overall I would rank it 4 to 10, right? The content is there, and maybe you can tweak it and spend a little bit more time and create a good article. I wouldn't publish this, but I will start working on it to publish it on my website, right? So it's a good stepping stone, like a good starting point for you to create a good blog. Now for the O1 Mini, overall I can see it's much bigger, okay? And I think it took the task better, right? Because this one does not include a table of contents, okay? And in 2 seconds, O1 Mini created a table of contents. Now top right bikes, best sponsors, okay. You can also see the titles are SEO optimized, right? There is no introduction title. Oh, there is actually a conclusion title, so this is not very good, but the rest of the titles are actually pretty good. It provided different options, which is interesting, right? I think we're going to get to an era where SEO is going to be changed. You're going to start asking AIs to find products for you, and you want your products to be ranking high on AI search engines, right? Instead of the traditional search engines like Google. So it might be interest to check how that will evolve. I actually have a video on that if you want to check out on my channel. Just go there and you'll be able to find it. Okay, overall I think this is a much better article. Key features, it has nice visual understanding because it has titles, subtitles, and bold, which in here you only have bold here, you don't actually on the features. In here you can have bold on features as well. Now best hybrid bike, so it took different types of bike depending on the user. I like it because some users, you know, there are a lot of type of bicycles. Maybe you want an electric one, maybe you want an hybrid one. So in here you can choose, and in this article you actually need to read the key features in order to understand what type of bike it is. So overall I think the O1 Mini is much better. I wouldn't also publish it. It's missing images like the O1 preview. Maybe you can ask it to generate images. I don't know if it will get the actual real images of the bikes, which will be pretty cool to have. Okay, overall I will give it, I would say a 5 out of 10. Again, good starting point. I wouldn't publish it, I would work on it. It's missing a CTA, which is very important, right? And the actually O1 preview included. So if you could merge these two articles, I think you'll create something interesting, right? The point is you need to keep working on it. It's not a ready to go solution where you can just copy paste and publish it in your blog. You need to actually spend time to create a good article. Now on Claude AI, okay, I like that the result is not on chat, right? I can see the prompt here, and I can see how the AI thought about the task, right? I've created an SEO optimized article, and I can actually see the result here. I like this a lot. Now it's interesting, it also included the table of contents. Now notice this is the paid version of Claude, right? So you need to actually pay for it in order to use this actual model. But for the O1 Mini and O1 Preview, you actually need to pay as well. So I think they are in a good comparison level. Now the introduction, it had a title, right? Introduction, the evolving world of bicycles. Like the title is not very SEO optimized, but it's better than having just introduction. So it's a good start. Now top road bikes, best mountain bikes. Okay, so it also separated in type of bikes like the O1 Mini, which is very cool for the user. And it included key features and a small description. So more similar to the actually O1 preview results. The O1 Mini actually provided a bigger description, key features, and also factors to consider when choosing the best bicycle. So it's actually very similar to the O1 Mini result with the O1 preview descriptions, right? Okay, on the conclusion, it also added a little bit more context. Now it's not SEO optimized, but okay, I'm not mad at it. I think it's the best one actually from all the models. From what I'm seeing here, it's missing a lot of key components like CTA, which is not good. You always want to have a CTA because if you're driving traffic to your blog, you want to convert users to actually paying customers. So it's very important to include CTAs, and none of the AI models did that. So you actually need to work on that. Now, obviously, I think you could just prompt and include a CTA to buy a bicycle on my site. And you'll be able to see that the AI will probably include something for the user to actually buy your products. Yeah, Owen Preview is still thinking, right? I think this model is very, very slow, and for writing, for SEO, is not really that good, right? We saw that the Owen Mini generated better results and it was much, much quicker, right? Shop the best bicycles often for now. So, okay, now you can see the CTAs, okay? I think if you start working on top of this, you'll be able to actually create a good article. The Claude one the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model just broke completely, right? They started coding, providing HTML text, not really a good thing for newbies, right? We don't know how to code, just want to place their article. Okay, now let's compare with the AI tool, right? So, okay, it generated the article. It included an image, which is the only, compared to the models, they didn't include any image. I don't know, they have that capacity to generate images, but by default they don't provide images, so it's something that you need to start thinking about, going to search or ask the AI to generate actual images. And here in the tool you don't have to do that. Now the images will already come by default. As you can see, I didn't change any default setting. Now it includes a table of contents, and the links are actually working, right? So if I click on key takeaways, I'm going to that part of the page, which is not something that is happening on any model, right? So on the table of contents here, if I click on it, I'm not going to travel there, right? You can see nothing changes, right? The link here is changing, but you don't actually travel to the part of the article where that content is. So another point for using AI tools for SEO. Now you have a small description. You can see the introduction is not called introduction. It's called what is the best bicycle to buy in 2024, which is very important because this is what the user will search for when searching for a new bicycle to buy, right? Best bikes of 2024, Bikes Award, best road bikes. What is the best bicycle to buy in 2024? Okay, now it also separated in types of bikes, right? Top road bikes, choosing the right mountain bike, showing the best hybrid bikes, similar to the ChatGPT O1 model and also the Claude model. Electric bikes. It's actually very cool that you can actually see this is an electric bike, right? So it didn't go and search for a random image on the internet about a bicycle. It knows it's an electrical bike, so the images is pointing to an electric bike. Now you can also see the background is pointing to a beautiful place in the mountains where you'll probably be very happy using your bike. So this is another advantage. You don't have to waste that much time building the actual article, right? You can just copy and paste it into your blog straight away. You can see it also includes video, comparison of different modules, price and features. It has everything that SEO needs to actually write a good article. You see, best overall gravel bikes, more comparisons, must have repair kits. This is very good, like upselling. I'm searching for bicycles, I also want a repair kit, right? So the AI can even include that. And if you pay attention, you can put CTAs to actually sell these products in your website if you sell bicycle products, right? So these are upsells. Even that the article is for bicycles, this is a repair kit that is necessary to ride a bike. So it makes a lot of sense to also include those here and have a CTA to buy this product. Okay, you can also see it included the frequently asked questions. What should I consider when buying a bike? Are electric bikes worth it? And you can see it's actually very similar to the ChatGPT results if we go here to frequently asked questions, where was it? It was not on the O1 Mini, maybe? Here. Okay, you can see, are expensive bikes worth the investment? How often should I service my bicycle? Can I use a mountain bike for commuting? It's providing different frequently asked questions, and I think these ones are actually much better for when people are buying the bicycle. What should I consider when buying? Are electric bicycles worth it? How do I choose the right size bike? So when I buy, these are all the questions that I have in my mind that I need answers for. So overall, I would rate this article 8 out of 10. I think we need to include CTAs, and maybe if I tweak here the presets and the settings, it will automatically include CTAs for my products. But straight away, this is an article, it's not a starting point. It's an article that is ready to publish. You just need to actually include your products, tell them what you're selling, and make those sales. Convert those users, make those sales. So overall, I still think that using an AI tool will save you a lot of time, and you don't actually, if you're a noob, you don't actually have to spend time searching on how to do SEO, because this article is already optimized for it, right? You can actually see, sorry, I was on the preview. Yeah, you can actually see the adding twos, adding trees. So alt, okay, vibrant road bike on a scenic mountain road. This will also all contribute to ranking higher on SEO. You can also see that it provides you an SEO score of 80, which is very, very high. This article is very, very good for you to actually publish. Okay, so overall, I will still use the tools. It's much better than spending time here. And if you think about it, ChatGPT subscription costs like what, 20-30 bucks? Same as with Claude. If I come to Journalist AI, I have 3 credits left that are free, right? So if you create an account, you can use my link in the description. You'll have 3 credits left that are free, so you can use and generate 3 different articles, see if you like. And nice, this is a cool feature, right? You can edit your prompt, something you cannot do here, like you need to do manual. So this is a good feature to have. But yeah, I would use my money if your goal to create SEO content is to create SEO content. I will put my money on an AI tool, not an AI model, because the AI model is too broad, it does too much things, and you actually want to narrow it down just to create SEO content. Okay guys, let me know if you like the video. I'll keep posting here on my YouTube channel different comparisons, how to monetize your blog. Please let me know, provide feedback, and if you're going to use Journalist AI, please use my link on the description to have 3 free credits, right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice night. Bye bye.